Hello everyone, it's Nick Vujicic here. I love you so much. God bless you. I hope you're having a great day. You know, many people ask me, Nick, how did you change a life without limbs into a life without limits? Well, of course, love was the first seed. And that love of believing that I was still valuable. I think a lot of teenagers these days, especially in the West, are wondering, well, who am I? What really worthwhile am I going to do in my life? Especially when bullies are attacking them. For me, when bullies started laughing at me and calling me all sorts of names, I really started doubting that God had a plan for my life. In fact, bullying was the main reason why I even tried to commit suicide at age 10. Have you ever felt like giving up? Have you ever wondered, well, what does God have in plan for me? I want you to know that if God has a plan to use a man without arms and legs to be his hands and feet, He's got a plan for you. And you can overcome bullying. I'm not telling you any formula other than what needs to be done in you instead of around you. Bullying happens everywhere, in the workplace, in our adult life, not just as teenagers. So I want to equip you and empower you to be all that you can be by the grace of God and really feel, okay, I know who I am and no one's going to tell me different. Because I know that God has a plan for my life, and I'm His, and He is mine. Thanks for listening. Love you so much.